Yeah, you have a blessed day to enjoy it, man. We just at the beach, just chilling. Yeah. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope you enjoy your vacation when you come back. One love.
I want you guys to look at that lady right there. Lead pum pum. And she is pretty. But me call her pretty ugly also. So she have two names. I have an audio recording of Josiah explaining what happened in the bar, and this is the only audio recording of this incident. This is an exclusive piece of audio, and I'm gonna play it. But before I play it, I'm gonna familiarize people who's not familiar with this case. They just killed this young man, and it is a big disgrace on the country of St. Lucia.
Just went down and starts firing bullet at the boy.
A deadly targeted gun attack was executed in Grosley on Tuesday evening.
And the boy just walked away as if nothing had happened, and they just left.
The callous gun attack left 30-year-old Josiah Ned Harmond fighting for his life. Despite being rushed to the hospital, he succumbed to his injuries Tuesday night.
Now, before we go into the audio with Josiah, listen, may I play a song from Countryman record, and this song pretty much is explaining what happened to Josiah, I want the man them to listen to this song, and when they listen to this song, I want to leave a comment and tell me what you think about this song. Listen, the song is like 2 minutes. I'm gonna play the whole song, but this is courtesy a Countryman record. I want big up the big heavy music producer. Yo, me have a music producer. Me I call him Nutty Professor. So music boss, me change your name to Nutty Professor. Listen to where music boss stop. Hear this.
Yo, she bad, she curse, she charm. Money done, now she raise alarm. Me and you been right from 15. Girl take gift, now you play queen. Big wood up, she start feeling. Bank book fat, still she move me in. Buy your Benz and a food truck. Buy your house and a gold clutch. Pay your rent by the whole block. Now you vex and your love stop. Girl, you sweet but you look off. All of you man, them run soft. Take back your talk, give back your class. Take back the vibes, love gone lost. Me say, give me money, take back your fuck. She say, nah, that's stuck. Me say, any man you touch, them look run out. Yeah, she say, stop your mouth. Me say, pretty face, full of dark clothes. Yeah, she say, still man proud. Give me money, take back your love. Yeah.
No, guys, you see that song, yeah? What it saying, some girl, them full of bad luck. And you shouldn't even bother deal with them. Cause you see when you deal with them, it make your luck run out. That is what this song is saying. And this young lady here, Lead Pum Pum, she is a total embodiment of this song that's playing. Now, I want you guys, guys and gals, to listen to the second part of the song. And listen, I'm gonna play the audio clip from Josiah before he died. And you guys make a decision if I am not right about these girls being just like this song. Listen to the second part of the song. Before I play the song, I guess the word I am looking for is toxic. These girls are toxic. Listen to the rest of the song.
You look good but the soul gone. Panty print but the vibe wrong. Every man you test them love drop. Every deal you enter man flop. Still you hype in G5 choke. Hot girl, but your man them coke. One by one, them bank book stuck. Take the money, me done with luck. Your body a spell, your charm a curse. Your love come sweet, then end up worse. Me can't lie, was addicted first, but me soul need peace, not purse. Give me money, take back your fuck. Yeah, done with luck. Any man you touch, them a get stuck. Yeah, girl corrupt. By your world, you still act rough. Yeah, me had enough. Take back your charm, me time up. Yeah, bad your luck. Pretty face, soul corrupt. Take it back. Me want back peace, not fuck.
No, only thing I can think of when I hear this song is girls like Iron Pum Pum and Lead Pum Pum. No, I want you guys to listen to this exclusive audio that I have of Josiah. And in this audio, he's explaining in detail what happened. And this, like I said, nobody but me, Countryman, have this audio. And I want you all to listen to this audio. You understand? The journalist, she described it as a misunderstanding. Well, I am going to let Josiah describe in his own word. And this was before he died.
Because somebody can talk with them off. Somebody can tell you they like to see you. Their friend like to see you. So if somebody tell you their friend like to see you, it's you to tell the person, I don't like to see you. I'm good on you. But don't play like your friend coming and take drink and send in our face, and we have to just stand up there and watch at us pro drink in our face and just people talking with their mouth. Everybody have their mouth to talk. Mom. I don't like what she do last night. She disrespect. She lucky I didn't cuff her in her face because she wrong for what she do, Nobody didn't tell her nothing bad. Just tell her my friend like to see you, and her other friend play like she wanna take on me for her friend. And her friend play like she pro drinking in my face and me and my friend face. And we just have to watch her and know I show drink back in her face too. You can do people this kind of thing. People talk with their mouth. That's why I don't like these young girls in St. Lucia. These young girls in St. Lucia don't have no respect for nobody. They just want to feel like they can tell people what they want. So you can show drink on people. People can show drink on you. This just killed my whole life last night. I just go home and...
I'm not lying. It's really sad. I mean, I want to know where Iron Pum Pum and Lead Pum Pum, did they went to charm school? I mean, the guys were trying to speak to them, flirting with them, and this girl get up, walk over to the guys them and throw the drink that she was drinking in their face while her friend sits over there and is laughing. They went to charm school. Then he got upset and he did the same thing back to her. And then now he's dead. I'm asking the police in St. Lucia to please go and solve this case because there is the audio. I produced the audio. You have the audio. Go get that girl. He knows who did that to this young man. And that's the plain truth. So now, all the evidence is out there. I just dropped the audio. And I hope now the police them can use this and go and get Lead Punani and bring her and her friend in and drill them about these two guys who rode up and bike and shoot and kill Josiah. Listen, I am going to end this video with Josiah explaining in his own word what happened that night. And I hope the Royal St. Lucia Police go use this and solve this case. Josiah don't deserve this. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Because you know, somebody can talk with them off. Somebody can tell you they like to see you. Their friend like to see you. So if somebody tell you their friend like to see you, it's you to tell the person, you know, I don't like to see you, I'm good on you. But don't play like your friend coming and take drink and sell in our face, and we have to just stand up there and watch at us throw drink in our face and just people talking with their mouth. You know, everybody have their mouth to talk. You know, mom, I don't like what she do last night. She disrespect. She lucky I didn't cuff her in her face because she wrong for what she do, you know. Nobody didn't tell her nothing bad. Just tell her my friend like to see you, and her other friend play like she wanna take on me for her friend. And her friend play like she throw drink in my face and me and my friend face. And we just have to watch her and know I throw drink back in her face too. You know, you can do people this kind of thing. People talk with their mouth. That's why I don't like these young girls in St. Lucia. These young girls in St. Lucia don't have no respect for nobody. You know? They just want to feel like they can tell people what they want. So you can show drink on people. People can show drink on you. This just killed my whole life last night. You know, I just go home and